Oh, here it is again. They're back, they're back. Okay, I cannot leave. I cannot leave. Sometimes you are getting surprises that you didn't plan for and didn't expect at all. And today was one of those days. As I was walking through the forest, like trying to see something to photograph, a little bit desperate, so I walked back to my car, and beside the car there was two like wagtails. And that was so nice to see them like hunting for insects near the ground. And I thought I just needed to try to photograph that, and it turned out to be a really great moment with the wagtails, and I guess some special behavior. So yeah, just rewind time and see what I got. Oh, this is really nice. I have a wagtail in front of me. It's just feeding on the grass. It's so cool to photograph the wagtail. It's such a cool bird because the way it hunts insects, it's like walking on the ground and can jump up right away to catch some insects. And yeah, really cool behavior. And you also can get this little bird with a long tail walking flat on the ground, and that can, yeah, if you are laying flat on the ground, you can get some really cool images. Get the blurry foreground with the grass. So all I need to do now is just to lay here, and sometimes just wander around. It's just walk past me in just a couple of meters. I'm laying open here. The birds aren't afraid of me at all, and that's a really good feeling to just wander around. Here it comes again. I need a really fast shutter speed to freeze the action of the wagtail, so I'm around ISO 800 and get around 1/800 of a second, and yeah, it's really changing and challenging light, so I get from 800 to maybe 1200 and 1600 of a second, but you need a fast enough shutter speed when you're freezing the action. It's always running and always like jumping up and down and yeah, trying to catch some insects. So fast enough shutter speed in that bird is really essential to get sharp pictures. But I think I got some really nice images of the bird mating. I was a little bit too low because it was in the dump, so I didn't get the female, but I got the male and can like see the female just a little bit underneath. But oh, that was so nice, and I didn't expect this at all. I didn't have the plan to go here and photograph these wagtails. I had different kind of plans, but those didn't work today. It's a lot of wind, and I was hoping to get some waterfowl, but it was too much waves and too much challenging with the water, and it was blowing really hard. So I just wandered around in the forest and back to my car, and I saw this wagtails actually playing around my car. I'm thinking they might see the reflection in the windows and see that as a potential enemy, and also it's a really good place for them to hunt insects here on the ground. They're back. Okay, I cannot leave. I was really lucky, and lucky for me the wagtail is not that scary of humans. I was also having a couple of days ago some really nice session with a grey wagtail as well. I didn't have the chance to vlog there, but I did get some images and some video of it, so I will show you that. So here a Yellowhammer now. So I'm going to try to see if I can find that. Oh, it's there. Really cool song with that Yellowhammer. Beautiful bird as well. So yeah, let's go. Sitting in a tree in front of me. Do you hear that? That's the Yellowhammer. Beautiful song. Really special one. Let me see if I can film it and show you. Now this was fun, really fun to photograph the wagtail. Such a cool bird to photograph. So yeah, I just thought of closing this today about telling you a little bit about how my cottage project are going. So I told you some videos back that me and my family, we bought a cottage, and I had some really cool plans photographing different kind of animals and birds in that area. Unfortunately, it was delayed because of my father was sick and he passed away, and also now with the coronavirus everything was like pushed forward in time. So I don't have the possibility to go there now in the springtime to photograph the species, but hopefully things will come a little bit more together late in the summer and I get some opportunities to like go out there and explore the area and maybe photograph something. So yeah, we just have to see, But that is now the thing with the cottage. I just need to like be a little bit more patient and see I can get some really cool stuff there when the cottage is ready. I know some of you have asked me about that, how is it going, and now you know this is why it's taking a little bit longer time with the cottage. So yeah, thank you for watching, and it was so nice to be out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.